within the quiet, quaint community of Little Bay, Westmoreland, the Little Bay Primary and Infant School first came to prominence earlier this year when they were highlighted for their COVID-19 response in ensuring that students sitting PEP had the necessary resources to excel. Remember the principal who used a bike taxi to deliver material to students? Yes. Let's fast forward almost a year later, and the school administration is now actively engaging its students virtually and is charting the way forward to becoming a self-sufficient institution. Today on Western Roundup, we take a closer look at how the Little Bay Primary and Infant School is solidifying its position as a pillar in Westmoreland. Stay with us.
Hey, welcome to Little Bay Primary and Infant School, where we strive to serve and not to yield.
We have a student population of approximately 186 students and growing. After COVID came, we saw the challenges and we partner with the Ministry of Education and we look at ways forward. Between then and now, we realized that the internet, of course, is a big challenge and it has proven and shown up the inequality that exists within the system. However, we are not daunted by the challenges. We see these challenges as a perfect opportunity to readapt, reinnovate, and also present opportunities to go forward. So thanks to Cornerstone, Jamaica, which came on board and assisted us in collaboration with the Ministry of Education. So we set up a satellite internet program. We're the second school in Jamaica and also the Caribbean region to have this facility. This has definitely changed the whole technological operations of the school in several ways. What it means now is that we have more students who can access this facility. This facility can access up to 200 students without being interrupted. However, outside of that, we would still have some students who may not still have the devices. So what we're still working on is collaboration with the Ministry of Education, our Region 4, our regional director, and also education officers to ensure that we continue working.
In addition to taking care of the educational needs of the children, the administration at the Little Bay Primary and Infant School is also ensuring that the social needs are met.
We have an excellent school garden. Outside of that, especially now as it relates to the COVID season, we currently have chickens, we have layers, we have callaloo, we have several different things happening on the farm. So the idea is to ensure that the students, community members, and other persons who are connected to the school, we support them throughout this season. Many of the families and parents have been affected by this pandemic, and as a school administration, we want to ensure we partner with our community, our stakeholders, our staff, and all the persons who are on board to ensure that we provide the psychosocial support that they would need. There's no running water within the community, and we realize that water is an area or a need that has been costing the school extensively over the years. Part of our sustainable project is to go into water harvesting. We want to use this means to thank the Rural Water Authority through the economic unit of the ministry, Office of the Prime Minister, to say a big thank you for this project. The tank that is presently built can accommodate up to 20,000 gallons of water, and that's enough to sustain our school and also supply the community in the event if there's a crisis.
The work of the school has not gone unnoticed. Residents of the community are lauding the school's administration for the role they are playing in the community.
The satellite internet, I think it's a big thing for the community because it's helping out a lot with parents and kids that don't have access at home. It's doing a good thing for them because I can see a lot using it throughout the day, and even in the evening parents will come out and use it. I can see them under the tree sitting down, getting assignments done and whatever. So I think it's playing a great role for the community.
The school actually carry off Little Bay because we can say we have one good government place in Little Bay. and that's the school. So even if we're going to keep a good meeting or anything, that's even the best place to keep the meeting is up by the school, because it's up to date. And we all work together, and Mr. King worked very hard to get it be like that.
There can be no question about the hard work of the school administration, but the success of the school would not be possible without the support from the community and stakeholders.
The community and the stakeholders have always been supportive to our school. We can call upon them at any time to help us with anything that we need. So we're very grateful to our community for their support to us always.
Though the challenges are many, Mr. King is confident that the Little Bay Primary and Infant School will continue to make its community and by extension Westmoreland proud.
Our vision for the school is tied in with the mandate and the objectives of the Ministry of Education and also our Regional 4 office and team. We will continue working as a school to become a self-sustainable and a self-sufficient institution. With our hard-working teachers, community members, stakeholders, we will continue to deliver a world-class education.
Despite the uncertainties, the staff at the Little Bay Primary and Infant School continues to make preparations for the upcoming school year. But one thing's for sure, whatever the task ahead, they are ready to face the challenges. Thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Until next time, walk good.